Hey there, a-longkidz. Welcome back to another great adventure. Today's story is called If Animals Kissed Goodnight. Written by Ann Whitford Paul. Pictures by David Walker. If animals kissed like we kissed goodnight. Sloth and her cub in late afternoon's light would hang from a tree and start kissing so slow. The sky would turn pink and the sun sink down low. Peacock and chick would spin a fan dance and kiss with a kickity high-stepping prance. Mama Python and Hatchling would kiss waggling around, twirling and twisting like rope loosely wound. Walrus Calf and her papa would make whiskery swishes, rubbing each other in scratchy kisses. Mama Elephant's trunk would kiss and then sway and shower her calf with a wet washing spray. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn dull, the moon a chalk white, and Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. Parrot and chick would click-clack their beaks, kissing click-a-clack, 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 click. Wolf and his pup would kiss and then howl. Bear and her cub would kiss and then growl. Mama Monkey and Infant would swing through the trees, smacking their lips in a kissing trapeze. Seal and his calf would blow big bubba kisses that rise to the surface in splishity splashes. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn dark and the moon glowing white, and Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. Mama Penguin and Chick would stumble and slide on slippery rocks in a hug-a-kiss ride. Papa Rhino and Calf would kiss tip-a-tap-tap, smooching their horns in a tip-a-tap rap. Giraffe and his calf would stretch their necks high and kiss just beneath the top of the sky. Kangaroo and her joey would jumpity-jump, kiss, 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 bounce, bumpity-bump. Hippo calf would kiss Papa, then they'd settle deep down in the slithery ooze, a mud happy heap. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn black, the moon would shine bright. All would grow quiet with all tucked in tight. But Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. The end. Thanks for listening, Read Along Kids. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more great read-along fun. Until next time, bye-bye.